All right, latest news break coming in. Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, has taken on the Supreme Court judgment on the job scam. The Bengal Chief Minister has made a remark challenging the Supreme Court verdict. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has said, "Do not support the Supreme Court ruling. Why punish us for one person's crime?" Supreme Court upheld High Court's order of scrapping Bengal hirings. The top court said teacher hiring process was tainted and the job scam taint beyond resolution, therefore scrapping the hirings. Mamata Banerjee has now reacted on that. Surya Agni, my colleague, joins us on the phone line for more. Surya Agni, can you take us through on what exactly Mamata Banerjee said?
Well, the state chief minister, she just spoke a while back, wherein she slammed the BJP and the left for, bringing this case, filing the petition, because what she claims is that out of the 24,000 plus people who were, who lost their jobs, it's merely a very small percentage of people who were tainted. But due to the High Court's intervention and the Supreme Court's intervention, the state was never given an opportunity to find out who were the actual ones who were actually tainted and who were the clean professionals. What she further goes to state that it was Abhijit Ganguly, who was then a High Court judge, who later took VRS and then he became a BJP MP. It was his judgment initially, which had taken this hard decision that 26,000 people would be sacked. So it's once again the state chief minister took on the left, because it was a left front MP who was fighting this case, and it was the judge was the judge was the judge became a the judge became a BJP MP later on. So she takes, she draws her guns on the BJP and the left for this particular issue. However, she further goes on to state that as it's a Supreme Court order, she will, respect it, and it's 3 months have been given by the Supreme Court to make sure that the process is completed and people who are non-tainted can reapply in this particular position and they can get the jobs if they pass it. So in 3 months, the state wants to, get through this, and she has, and make sure that these people get their jobs back.
All right. So there you have it. You have Mamata Banerjee, who's gone ahead and said that she doesn't quite support with what the Supreme Court says, but respects the order. Says, though, it's unfair to West Bengal for what one person did, and entirety of that order should not be scrapped. However, she says that she's hoping that the process can be reinitiated and rehirings can be done quickly, but also attaching motive to the earlier High Court judgment, suggesting that the judge then who gave that order immediately then after retirement went on to join the Bharatiya Janata Party.